In a world of mass production, we strive for the unique, the touch of a human hand, the story embedded in a stone. This is the ancient art of amber processing, where each piece is a fragment of history, a captured moment in time meticulously polished by craftsmen. It is not just jewelry, it is the art of wearing, born from the earth and given life by hand. Discover the bold design of these bracelets, carved from solid, massive cabochons. Feel the weight and elegance of these earrings with large stones, where light dances in every facet, and admire the harmonious shimmer of these beads, a symphony of the most unique natural colors, from rich cognac and sunny honey to rare milky white and forest green. Each shade tells a story. This is the magic of handmade amber. It's not just an accessory, it's a legacy. Find your piece of history. Amber is a fossilized resin, a time capsule preserving the energy of ancient forests. For centuries, it has been cherished not just as a gem, but as a source of warmth and well-being. It's believed to carry a gentle, positive energy that can soothe the mind and uplift the spirit. To the touch, amber is uniquely warm and light, unlike any other stone. It's a natural wonder that has been adored for millennia, from the ancient trade routes to modern collections. Each piece is a connection to a distant past, a natural treasure that tells a story millions of years in the making. Now, witness this artistry in detail. Behold the statement earrings, crafted from substantial amber cabochons. Each large stone is a unique window into the ancient world, catching the light with a warm, organic glow. They are a testament to bold, natural elegance. And these necklaces, a cascade of grand, polished beads. Each sizable piece is meticulously selected and hand-strung, creating a powerful and harmonious flow of color and energy. To wear these creations is to carry a piece of timeless nature's artistry, a bold and grounding presence that is both a treasure and a testament to masterful craftsmanship. In a world of fleeting trends, we return to the timeless, the profound beauty of the earth itself. This collection is a celebration of nature's most magnificent art, captured in rings and earrings forged with intention. Here, each piece tells a unique geological story. Discover the deep celestial blue of lapis lazuli, the rich, protective green of jade, and the wise, purple hues of amethyst. Feel the grounding energy of rustic tiger's eye and the nurturing warmth of carnelian. We work with the fiery passion of ruby, the serene clarity of aquamarine, and the luxurious mystery of black onyx. These are not merely accessories, they are talismans of energy, heirlooms of the natural world. Each ring a statement, each earring a whisper of ancient elegance. This is where nature's artistry meets human craftsmanship. Find your stone, find your story. In an age of perfect, mass-produced objects, we find beauty in the soul of the imperfect. This is the art of transformed wood. Piece here began as a living tree, story now preserved forever by the hands of a master artisan. Witness the stunning simplicity of a perfect circle, a form that echoes the unity of nature itself. Then, behold the bold, sculptural silhouettes, vessels and carvings that defy expectation with their unexpected, organic curves. Here, a graceful carafe, designed not just to pour, but to captivate. There, a collection of plates, where the natural wood grain becomes a breathtaking canvas, making each one a completely unique masterpiece. This is more than woodworking. This is the slow, thoughtful art of revealing the hidden beauty within a log, turning it into a functional sculpture for your home. Discover the warmth, the texture, the silent story in every piece. This is art you can touch. In a world that moves too fast, we find solace in things that are made slowly, with intention and connected to the earth. This is a collection that tells a story of nature, culture, and human hands. Each piece you see begins with one of nature's most noble gifts, linen. Woven from the flax plant, this is not merely a fabric. It is a testament to sustainability and timeless beauty. Luxuriously breathable, incredibly durable, and becoming softer with every touch, linen is a living fabric. Carries the coolness of the morning field and the strength of the earth itself. It is a choice for a lifetime, a natural heirloom that honors both your skin and our planet. But the true soul of these creations lies in the artistry woven upon them. These are not just patterns, they are a language. Stitch, each color, each symbol is a thread in the rich tapestry of heritage. These national ornaments embroidered on dresses, shirts, pillows, and towels are more than decoration. They are guardians of history, carrying the wisdom, protection, and blessings of generations past. To wear this embroidered shirt, carry this bag, to lay your head on this pillow is to connect with a lineage of artisans. It is to carry a piece of living history, a whisper of ancestors, and a bold statement of identity in the modern world. This is more than clothing and homeware. This is a legacy you can wrap yourself in. This is art that lives and breathes with you. This is the art of tactile sensation. Each of these bags is unique, and the main reason is the leather. We use differently tanned leather so that each piece has its own character and story. Here is rough, pull-up leather with natural marks. Speaks of its durability and authenticity. Next to it is smooth, nubuck leather that amazes with its velvety texture and understated elegance. And this is waxed leather, which over time will develop a unique patina, traces of your own history. These are not just accessories. They are functional sculpture, built to last for years and only get better. Choose not just a bag, choose a character. This isn't just a bag. It's a statement. Feel that? That's full-grain leather. It's stiff now, it has character. It doesn't bend to trends, it breaks into your life. It will mold to your side, developing a patina that is uniquely yours. Every scratch tells your story. This is the opposite of disposable. This is thick, rugged leather that stands on its own. Clean lines. No flashy logos. Just raw, undeniable quality. It's built to outlive fast fashion. It's not just about carrying your things, it's about carrying a legacy. Choose the one that gets better with time. Discover the art of entomology. Each butterfly is meticulously preserved, hand-positioned and framed under glass in a deep shadow box, a natural masterpiece forever captured. Discover the art of entomology. Each butterfly is meticulously preserved, hand-positioned and framed under glass in a deep shadow box, a natural masterpiece forever captured. This is a process of patience and precision, where every wing is carefully set to showcase nature's most intricate designs. From vibrant tropical species to delicate local wonders, each piece tells a story of ecosystems and evolution. These are not merely decorations. They are a window into the fascinating world of entomology, allowing you to admire details invisible to the naked eye. Own a fragment of nature's timeless beauty. Step into a hidden world rarely seen by the naked eye. This is not just a collection, it's an entomological archive. Witness the stunning iridescence of beetles, powerful form of a locust, the delicate intricacy of nocturnal moths, and a myriad of other species you've never encountered. Each specimen is a masterpiece of evolution, meticulously preserved and hand-positioned under glass in a deep shadow box. This process of patience and precision reveals every minute detail, from the armor-like shell of a beetle to the feathery antennae of a moth. These are more than displays. They are your personal window into the vast and incredible diversity of the insect world. A chance to own a fragment of nature's most astonishing art. In a world of identical things, we bring you the magic of the unique. These are not just toys. They are one-of-a-kind creations, born from a master's hands. Technique behind them is a closely guarded secret, a whisper of craftsmanship passed down and perfected. Notice the subtle imperfections, the slight variations that make each piece truly unrepeatable. This is art you can feel, a special execution that celebrates the human touch over machine perfection. From the first sketch to the final, intricate detail, each piece tells its own silent story of passion and patience. This is more than a toy. It is a legacy of imagination, a treasure waiting to spark wonder. Discover the piece that speaks only to you.